At BWA Laser, we specialize in cutting-edge laser equipment, providing brands and businesses with innovative solutions on a global scale. Our commitment to excellence ensures that every product meets the highest standards of quality and precision. Founded in 2010, Bing Yan has over 15 years of experience in the laser equipment industry. Our journey began in Loyang, where we developed our expertise and grew into a trusted brand worldwide. With a strong presence in North America, Europe, Central and South America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, we serve over 3,000 global B2B customers. Our overseas warehouses in the USA and Germany ensure quick and reliable delivery to our international clients. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spans 4,500 square meters and employs over 70 skilled professionals. We produce a wide range of laser equipment, including marking, cleaning, welding, cutting, and non-standard automated machines. We provide comprehensive customization services and robust after-sales support. With over 1,000 customized equipment cases and partnerships with renowned brand accessory suppliers, we guarantee quality and satisfaction. Our dedicated team includes experienced designers, engineers, and quality inspectors who are working together to deliver superior products. Our professional R&D and after-sales service teams ensure that we stay ahead of industry trends and meet our clients' needs. BWA Laser